Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy sugar cookies. So first of all, I have a cup of softened butter in here. That's 2 sticks. And then I'm going to pour 1 cup of oil in it. And then I'm going to beat it up. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it up. Now I'm mixing the dry ingredients, which is 5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gradually going to add this into the batter. And I usually put it on low because it tends to splash all over. The dough is done, so I just kind of brought it together a little bit. And I have a scoop, a number 40 scoop that I usually use for my cookies. And then I have here different kinds of sugars that I'm going to dip it in, and let's see how it comes out. So you can use anything you want, or you can just leave it plain if you want. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting a scoop and roll it into a ball, and then just roll it in your sugars. And place it on your cookie sheet. I usually put 12 per sheet. Now I'm just going to gently press it down with the bottom of a glass. And it doesn't stick because it has the sprinkles on it. I'm going to put the cookies in the oven, 375 degrees, for 12 to 15 minutes. The cookies are done, and don't they look beautiful? All different colors and different toppings on top. And like I said, you can do anything you want. I think you probably even can do mini chocolate chips on it. That'd be kind of interesting, but up to you. So it was 375, about 15 minutes, and you can see not too much color on it, but on the brown, the bottom, nicely brown, so you don't want it too long. So now I have to choose which one I'd like to taste. So many options, but I'm just gonna try a plain one just with sugar because I don't want all of this stuff on it. So here we go. Hear the crunch, and it's just very light and tender, and hard to believe you didn't have to roll these cookies. That's why I said it's very easy to make, and you can make it too. And I think if you have youngsters or people who don't know too much about cooking, this is a really simple idea. And you don't even have to put all the fillings, all the toppings if you don't want, just plain. But the taste is really delicious, and you can taste the butter in it, and it's not very sweet. So if I can make this, you can too. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Mahalo for watching, and see you on the next video.